Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add your favorite artists on your Weverse app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just come here to this list or here my artists. Can you click here on? Can you click here too? So can you just choose? Then all you have to do, you just come to this list here. In here, can you add your favorite artists? And you just click here on explore, so then it's going to take you here in this list. Then you click here on go to community here, or so then here it's going to take you to your community here to for your apps, and you click here on complete. So then it's going to add video here on your Weverse app, like you see now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.